Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and setting clear goals. Measure length, width, and ceiling height, then note fixed elements like doors and windows. Once done, list must-haves and rank them by priority so decisions are driven by function. Make sure to mark plumbing and HVAC because you can't move them easily. Start sketching a rough bubble diagram to place zones roughly where they make the most sense. This early layout saves time and prevents major rework later on. You now translate the bubble diagram into a scaled plan using a consistent scale such as 1/4 equals 1 or 150. Draw furniture footprints to verify fit. As you place items, plan circulation with 30-36 inches clear paths and respect appliance clearances so movement feels natural. Once positioned, think about lighting, power outlets, and sight lines to create comfortable, usable spaces. Make adjustments iteratively. Measure twice, revise once, and test alternative layouts quickly to find the best balance of form and function. You finish by creating a clear final plan with dimensions, materials, finishes, and concise construction notes for contractors or permits. Once done, review the plan with stakeholders and a contractor to catch practicality or budget issues early. Make sure to test fit critical pieces and simulate major movements to confirm fit. If something goes wrong, like unexpected plumbing or load-bearing walls, pause, reevaluate options, and prioritize solutions that preserve function. Keep a contingency plan and alternate layouts ready to avoid costly delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.